Respected Chief Guest of today's inauguration ceremony, Honorable Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Samantalal Sen, Guest of Honor, Mr. Nazmul Hassan Papon, Honorable MP and Honorable Minister for Youth and Sports, a special guest, Mr. Major General Muhammad Yusuf, Director General, Directorate General of Drug Administration, Honorable President and Secretary General of BAPI, Mr. Paresh of GPE Expo, representative from electronic and press media, present all the distinguished delegates from home and abroad, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. At the outset, I would like to express my sincere thanks and gratitude to GPE Expo for inviting me to this inauguration ceremony as a special guest. And we are also very happy that EPB is the official partner of this expo. So thank you, Mr. Paresh and his team for giving us this opportunity and privileges. At first, I would like to say that we all are aware that the economic development and the social development that we had achieved in last 15 years. I don't want to go into the details with the facts and figures. All of you are well aware of that. And in that development, export contributed a very major role. Contribution of our export to the GDP is around 15%. But regrettably, the main contribution to our export earning actually is from the RMG sector. We are, and you are all aware that almost 84% of our export earnings comes from the RMG sector. So one of the main policy options for the government is to diversification. And we actually assessed and looked into different sectors. And you are aware that pharmaceutical is one of the most potential sector. We found that we could diversify our export from RMG to other products. But as you know that despite our different efforts, RMG sector could not, achieve that much what we expected. Export of the pharmaceutical, not the RMG, pharmaceutical. Export of our pharmaceutical products in last year was around $200 million US. But we are happy to note that this year, in first 7 months of the current fiscal year, export growth of the pharmaceuticals is more than, about 10%, where the national average is around 2 to 3%. So we are hopeful that the pharmaceutical sector will grow and, contribute more to the export sector. But as you know, from the EPB, what we try to promote various sectors, and pharmaceuticals is one of that. We basically participate in international trade fairs around the world. In a year, on an average, around 40-45 fairs. We participate with the different exhibitors and the manufacturers. And we are also very happy to inform you that in last year, we attended 2 or 3 fairs of the pharmaceutical industry in Africa and one in Jordan. In Jordan, the Africa Expo was also organized by the GPE Expo. So we are trying to promote these pharmaceutical industries. So we are hopeful that in the coming days, the pharmaceutical will be one of the prominent sector in our export industry. As we embark on this new chapter as the Asia Expo that we are opening today, it's a 3-day long event. And for the first time, EPE is, officially partnering with one of the private sector companies. And we are very happy that the preparation that GPE has taken so far. We are happy that this expo will be a very successful one. And we are also very happy to note that more than 750 exhibitors are participating in this expo from 30+ countries. So this will give a new impetus to the pharmaceutical industry of Bangladesh. And I wish that our friends and partners who are from home and abroad will have good time and have their good business in this expo. So with this few words, I would like to conclude, welcome you all and wishing all the success of this expo. Jai Bangla, may Bangladesh live forever.